Now it's time for part 2A. And on this particular problem, we're going to solve a function notation. So we're going to use that concept. And it says Mr. Bell decides to hire both Jim and Stacy for 2 weeks of work. Mr. Bell uses the function y equals f of x. So it says f of x equals negative 7/12 times x plus 28. That's how you look at that. Here, let me draw that for you real quick. So let's bring this over here. So this is saying f of x equals negative 7/12 times x plus 28. So sometimes that horizontal format of it confuses some people, but this is what it looks like over here. Where x is the amount of hours that Jim works, so this is Jim, and f of x is the amount of hours that Stacy works. So this is Stacy. To determine the relationship between how many hours each person works, Mr. Bell plans to have Jim work for 24 hours during the 2 weeks. Evaluate f of 24. So they just want us to evaluate f of 24. So we're going to take that 24 and put it in our function here. And so we rewrite the function f of 24 equals negative 7/12 times x plus 28. Now, whatever we put in here, we need to put in for the x, which you probably know from doing your homework. So we have f of 24 equals negative 7/12 times, and then so now we got the 24 instead of the x, and let's keep going here, so plus 28. So f of 24 equals negative 7/12. Let me back up. Let's actually do that math. So how you do this math is you have to take 24 divided by 12 is how I usually do it first. So 24 divided by 12 is 2, and then you take it times the top number here. So 2 times negative 7. So 24 divided by 12 equals 2, and then you take it times the top number, which is the negative 7. Plus 28. Just ask me a question if I just lost you right there. So f of 24 equals negative 7 times 2 equals negative 14 plus 28. And then f of 24, we're on the final stretch here. 20 minus 14, that is 14. And ta-da, we did it. So we evaluate f of 24, which equals 14. Now let's go on to probably 2b next.